Hey guys, this is Ben. This is my video bike check. Alright, so my frame is Kink International. My forks are Mission stock. My handlebars are stolen cells with ODI grips. I'm running brakes, so I've got the Odyssey Evo 2 with the eclat brake pads. I forget what kind of gyro. I've got Odyssey mini lever. I have a Fit Bike top load stem. Shadow Ravager pedals. Eastern Stealth cranks that are stock. I've got an S&M Toughman sprocket, and it's linked to a KMC 710 half link. I've got Animal back tire. I've got a Kenda front tire. My wheels are stock, so I'm saving up to get, build new ones. And my seat is an eclat plastic seat and seat post combo. So yeah, that's my bike. Please subscribe, comment, like, give me feedback. If it wasn't very good, just let me know. Alright, thanks.